yung franchising ng Fuel. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo dahil isa itong patunay na ang Marawi ay malaya na.
It's not easy for us to be here, but because you accepted us to be part of Marawi, the iFuel and the iHeal family is here with you. Sama-sama po tayo at ibabangon natin ang Marawi.
And proud to welcome all of you today to the grand opening of iFuel Marawi.
Maraming salamat. Sobrang amazing. When I saw the iFuel here, I know and I believe, hindi lang po ito isa. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo ni Shahani. Maraming pa pong negosyo at samahan at pamilya na itatayo natin dito sa Marawi. Maraming salamat po.
Pasalamat rin ako for the full support that have been extended to the management of the iFuel in Marawi branch.
I sincerely hope and pray that this project will contribute to the development of rebuilding our beloved Marawi City.
For me, iFranchise is not just a business or corporation, but a business with an advocacy to help others and to give people equal opportunities. So I will always be there to support iFranchise. Thank you for giving hope for the people of Marawi.
And this is just the start of a new beginning, let's say. And I'm very glad and very honored to be part of it. Kasama sa inyo lahat. And let's make it happen. Let's just enjoy today. It's a blessing para sa atin lahat.
Welcome to iFuel Marawi. And guys, ang mga susunod pa natin mga iFuel station na magbubukas, pinopromote namin ang aming packages ng iFuel. Hindi lamang po basta isang gasoline station lang, kundi may kasama pa po kayong commercial space and may mga concept po kayo na pwedeng pagpilian from iFranchise. Pwede po tayong pumili ng shawarma, one-way ball, coffee spot. Kaya sa susunod namin gusto mag-franchise, i-grab nyo na yung opportunity habang may promo package pa na kasama sa iFuel.
we had a successful grand opening here at the iconic iFuel Marawi. Congratulations to our franchisee, Ms. Shahani Abiden. Congratulations, iFuel Marawi. Congratulations, iFranchise. Congratulations!